Garmin's Fenix series has always been a symbol of innovation in the world of multisport watches, combining high-quality materials with cutting-edge technology. After a considerable wait of over 2.5 years since the launch of the Fenix 7 models, Garmin is back with its next big leap, the Fenix 8 series. This new series is poised to set a new standard for multisport enthusiasts, offering a blend of superior display options, extended battery life, and a host of advanced features, a new chapter in multisport excellence. The Fenix 8 series marks a significant evolution in Garmin's multisport watch lineup. It introduces a choice that was long awaited by users, a vibrant OLED display. Known for its vivid colors and superior brightness, this display option is perfect for those who seek a more visually engaging experience. For users who prioritize battery life and outdoor readability, Garmin continues to offer its enhanced memory and pixel MIP solar charging display, ensuring that there's a perfect option for every type of user. Powerful display options and impressive battery life. The Fenix 8 series provides an array of choices in both display technology and size. The OLED models are available in 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, featuring display sizes of 1.3 inches, 1.3 inches, and 1.4 inches respectively. These models are designed to deliver a rich viewing experience with their sharp, high-resolution screens. On the other hand, the solar-powered MIP models come in 47mm and 51mm sizes with 1.3-inch and 1.4-inch displays respectively. The MIP models are particularly noteworthy for their impressive battery life, with the 51mm variant, designed for durability and tough conditions. Garmin has maintained its commitment to durability with the Fenix 8 series. All models in this lineup feature waterproof metal buttons, a new side-mounted sensor guard, and have undergone rigorous testing to meet US military standards for heat, shock, and water resistance. These features ensure that the Fenix 8 can withstand the harshest of conditions, making it a reliable choice for those who push their limits. Enhanced communication and usability. The inclusion of a built-in speaker and microphone is a game-changer for the Fenix 8 series. This feature allows users to make calls directly from their watch, as long as it's paired with their smartphone. A light in the dark, the versatile LED flashlight. An innovative addition to the Fenix 8 series is the adjustable LED flashlight. This feature can be customized for different brightness levels, and it includes a red light mode for preserving night vision, as well as a strobe mode for increased visibility during nighttime activities. Tailored training for every sport. Garmin has gone the extra mile to cater to the needs of athletes by including sport-specific training plans in the Fenix 8 series. These training plans are designed to enhance strength and endurance while reducing the risk of injury. Diving deeper. Comprehensive diving features. For diving enthusiasts, the Fenix 8 series introduces a suite of diving functions. It supports recreational diving, single-gassed, and free diving up to 40 meters deep, with official certification and waterproofing. This makes it a versatile tool for both beginners and seasoned divers, providing accurate and reliable data to enhance their underwater experience. Stay connected with Garmin Messenger. In today's connected world, staying in touch with loved ones is more important than ever, especially during outdoor adventures. Navigation made easy with pre-installed maps. Navigating through unknown terrain has never been easier with the Fenix 8 series. The watches come pre-installed with topo maps for Europe, as well as golf and ski maps. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or playing a round of golf, these maps provide detailed information to keep you on track. Seamless sharing with Garmin Share. The Fenix 8 series takes connectivity to the next level with the Garmin Share feature. This allows users to share their routes, workouts, and locations with other compatible Garmin devices. Whether you're planning a group hike or sharing your latest workout with friends, Garmin Share makes it easy to stay connected and share your experiences with others. Conclusion. Setting a new standard in multisport watches, the Fenix 8 series is more than just a smartwatch. It's a comprehensive tool designed to enhance the lives of outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. With its range of display options, impressive battery life, robust construction, and advanced features, it's clear that Garmin has set a new benchmark for multisport watches. The Fenix 8 not only meets the demands of today's active lifestyle, but also pushes the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a weekend warrior, the Fenix 8 series offers the tools you need to reach your full potential and explore new horizons.